not say anything as yet. The first thing you have to do is that you have to learn these lines by heart. Of man's first disobedience and the fruit of that forbidden tree whose mortal taste brought death into the world and all our woe with loss of Eden till one greater man restore us and regain the blissful seat. What do you think the blissful seat has been used for? Paradise is the blissful seat. Yes, paradise is the blissful seat. So that we go back to the paradise, so that we are taken to the same path which takes us back to the paradise where we have come from. It needs us, it needs as per him, as per his Christian faith. He was a Puritan. As per that Puritan faith, that one greater man is Christ who needs to come and help man go back to the Garden of Eden. Next is restore us. The same man will do what all will he do? He will restore us and regain the blissful seed. Why regain? Because we were already there, we have lost it. And restore because we already had it and now it needs to be restored. Sing heavenly muse that on the secret top of Oreb or of Sinai didst inspire that shepherd who first taught the chosen seed in the beginning how the heavens and earth rose out of chaos. Now, from sing to chaos, tell me who is this heavenly muse? What does he mean by heavenly muse? What is the secret top? Who is the one who has referred to the chosen seed? Who first taught? Who was the teacher? Who is the shepherd? No. So ordinarily for poetry, it's the seven muses we generally talk about. But we know that this text is not considered to be a profane text, but it's a sacred text because he is writing about Adam and Eve. So a sacred text is looking for a particular muse. That's why he uses the word heavenly with it. Heavenly muse. Who will heavenly muse be? He gives you some hints who this muse is. He has already come on earth. Saying heavenly muse that it's that muse that on the secret top of Oreb or of Sinai did inspire that shepherd. Who is that shepherd? I missed out writing shepherd. Also tell me what is the secret top? Who are the chosen seed? Who is that shepherd? First tell me who is that shepherd. Yes, the shepherd is Moses. Now tell me who is heavenly muse that met him on the secret top. It's the angel Gabriel. He's asking Gabriel to inspire him the way he inspired Moses when he met Moses on the hilltops of Oreb or of Sinai. Gabriel, the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit, the other word used for him is heavenly muse. Holy Spirit. This Holy Spirit has not just met Christ but also came and met Moses before him. Secret top. Why secret? Because secret knowledge of the world was revealed to him on this top. Secret top.